Did you know 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Yet we spend over $100 billion a year on lottery tickets, more than we spend on books, investing, or education combined. And here's the truth: the poor don't stay poor because they're lazy. They stay poor because they've been taught to play the wrong game. You were never taught how to manage money in school. You were taught to memorize the Pythagorean theorem, write 5-paragraph essays, and obey instructions, but not how to budget, invest, build credit, or escape debt. Cut to real-world stats. 78% of millennials have credit card debt. 1 in 3 Americans has less than $1,000 in savings. And most people won't be able to retire, ever. That's not your fault. That's how the system is designed. It's not just about what you earn. It's about what you do every day. Here's what keeps people broke: living above your means. If you make $3,000 and spend $3,100, you're not living, you're drowning. 1. Debt slavery. Credit cards, car loans, BNPL, all designed to make you spend money you don't have. 2. Zero investing. If your money isn't growing, it's dying, thanks to inflation. 3. Financial avoidance. Most people are afraid to even look at their bank balance. You can't fix what you won't face. The rich don't just have more money. They think differently. Here's how. Poor people think, I can't afford it. Rich people ask, how can I afford it? Poor people trade time for money. Rich people trade ideas, systems, and assets. Quick visual. Poor person working 9 to 5. Rich person owns 3 online businesses. Success isn't luck. It's a mindset powered by action. Meet Marcus. He was broke, had no degree, and slept on the floor. But he started learning. 15 minutes a day. Budgeting. Side hustles. Investing small amounts. Cut to his progress. Started a dropshipping store. Flipped phones from Craigslist. Put $100 per month into S&P 500. 5 years later, he owns a 6-figure e-com business and invests 40% of his income. No secrets. Just consistent action, good habits, and time. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Set up auto transfer. 10 to 20% of all income savings or investing before you spend a dime. Rule 2. Learn about money daily. 1 page of a finance book a day equals 365 pages/year. That's 4 to 5 books. More than most read in a decade. Rule 3. Build income streams. Your job is just one engine. You need more. Side hustle, freelance, content, real estate, anything that scales. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. How many do you have? You need money to make money. No. You need knowledge, consistency, and creativity. Investing is risky. Not investing is way more risky. Inflation is stealing your money every day. I'm just not good with money. Nobody's born good with money. It's a learned skill. Rich people are greedy. Some are. Some aren't. But if you're broke, you can't help anyone. Money is just a tool. A hammer can build a house or break a window. It depends who holds it. You were never meant to just survive. You were built to grow, build, and break free. If you're ready to stop being broke, stop waiting for a miracle, and start building your future, subscribe now, and let's change your life together.